What's going on, everybody? James at Black Tech coming in here wanting to give you guys my unboxing of the Amazon Echo Show 5. Now, the reason why 5 is in the title is not because it is the 5th Echo Show in the lineup, but is because it has a 5.5 inch screen. Now, when you turn this over on its side, you'll see some of the features you get with the Echo Show 5, which is the Amazon Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and audio line out if you want to connect it to some external speakers, and you also get a built-in camera cover as well. Now, when you turn the box over on its back, it will show you a few more features that you can do with it and kind of break them down to give you kind of an idea what you could do with the Echo Show 5. Now, when you flip the box over into the other side, it will let you know what skills you can use with this, such as Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, Sirius XM, Audible, and Prime Video, just to name a few. Now, I do think that it's kind of cool you can actually watch Prime Video on this device as well. I've done it, and actually it isn't bad, and the sound is actually really good. Now, as soon as you remove the Easy to Remove tab on the back of the box, you'll be able to open it right up, and the first thing you'll see is the Amazon Echo Show 5. Now, the one thing I was worried about it being a 5.5 inch screen, I was worried that the device is going to be a little bit small for my liking, but actually now that I have it here in my hand, actually it is not a bad screen size. I actually kind of like it. So once I take off the plastic here, the first thing you'll notice of the device is the rubber grip on the bottom. So regardless if you have this in your bedroom or your kitchen, this device should not be sliding around at all. Now, you'll have a nice fabric material on the back as well, covering up the speaker. On the top, you'll notice the 3 buttons as well as the switch on the way to the right. So you'll have your mute button, your volume up and down buttons. And if you want a little bit of extra privacy, all you have to do is take that switch, flip it right over. It will cover up the camera as well as turn it off. And whenever you want to turn it back on, just flip it back over and you're good to go. So on the back of the Echo Show 5, you notice there are 3 ports. The port on the left is going to be for your power. The one in the middle is for Ethernet adapter to go into, and the one all the way to the right is a 3.5mm jack. So if you want to connect the Echo Show 5 to some external speakers, you should have no issue with that. Now, just like with any device you get out there, you're going to get the paperwork, which you can either read through it or not. I'm just going to set this off to the side right here. And underneath the cardboard piece here on the bottom, you'll end up finding you get the 15-watt power adapter. So that's pretty much what you get with the Echo Show 5. You get the device itself plus the power adapter. If you guys like this video, you guys can give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button and that bell icon while you're at it so you guys don't miss any further videos. And I'll catch you guys next time.